Nanotechnology is the science of manipulating extremely small things, so tiny that they are measured in nanometers. Imagine something so small that a human hair is about 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers wide. At the scale, materials can behave in ways that are very different from what we see in everyday life. Nanotechnology focuses on designing, controlling, and using materials at the atomic and molecular level. By rearranging atoms and molecules, scientists can create new materials with unique properties. These properties can be stronger, lighter, more flexible, or even more reactive than their larger counterparts. Nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. To put that into perspective, think about how wide a human hair is, about 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers. At this tiny scale, materials can act in surprising ways. For example, gold nanoparticles can appear red or purple instead of their usual yellow color. These changes in behavior are what make nanotechnology so exciting and full of potential. By working at the nanoscale, scientists can unlock new possibilities for materials and devices. Nanotechnology allows scientists to design and control materials at the atomic and molecular level. By rearranging atoms and molecules, they can create materials with unique properties. These materials can be stronger, lighter, more flexible, or even more reactive than traditional materials. This ability to manipulate matter at such a small scale is what makes nanotechnology so powerful and versatile. It opens up new opportunities for innovation in many fields. One of the most fascinating aspects of nanotechnology is how materials change at the nanoscale. Gold, for example, can appear red or purple instead of yellow. Some materials become much stronger while others conduct electricity better. These unusual properties are not just interesting, they are useful. They allow scientists to create new products and technologies that were not possible before. This is why nanotechnology is considered a revolutionary field. Nanotechnology is already making a big impact in medicine. One of its most promising uses is in targeted drug delivery. Tiny particles can carry medicine directly to specific cells, such as cancer cells, reducing damage to healthy cells. This approach makes treatments more effective and less harmful. Nanotechnology is also used in early disease detection and advanced imaging techniques, helping doctors diagnose and treat illnesses more quickly and accurately. Nanotechnology is transforming the electronics industry. By using nanoscale components, scientists can build smaller, faster, and more efficient devices. Modern smartphones and computers rely on these tiny parts to increase performance while reducing size and power consumption. This means we can enjoy more powerful gadgets that are easier to carry and use. Nanotechnology is also paving the way for new types of electronic devices that were once unimaginable. Nanotechnology is helping to improve energy solutions. For example, it is making solar panels more efficient at capturing sunlight. Nanomaterials are also used in batteries, allowing them to store more energy and charge faster. These advancements are important for creating sustainable energy systems and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Nanotechnology is making it possible to power our world in smarter and greener ways. Nanotechnology is also helping to protect the environment. Special nanomaterials can filter harmful substances from water, making it safe to drink. These materials are able to remove pollutants and toxins more effectively than traditional methods. Nanotechnology is being used to clean up water supplies and reduce environmental pollution. This technology is making a real difference in creating a healthier planet. Nanotechnology is changing the way we use materials. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, scientists can make them stronger, lighter, and more flexible. These improved materials are used in everything from sports equipment to building construction. Nanotechnology is also making fabrics water-resistant and stain-proof, creating clothing that stays clean and dry. The possibilities for new materials are endless. At the nanoscale, materials can behave in ways that are completely different from their larger forms. For example, some metals become much stronger, while others conduct electricity more efficiently. These unique properties are what make nanotechnology so valuable. Scientists are constantly discovering new ways to use these properties to create better products and technologies. Gold is a great example of how materials change at the nanoscale. When gold is broken down into nanoparticles, it can appear red or purple instead of yellow. This change in color is due to the way light interacts with the tiny particles. Gold nanoparticles are used in medical imaging and other advanced technologies. Their unique properties make them valuable for many applications. Nanotechnology allows scientists to create materials that are much stronger than traditional ones. By rearranging atoms and molecules, they can make materials that can withstand more stress and damage. These stronger materials are used in construction, sports equipment, and even medical devices. Nanotechnology is making it possible to build safer and more durable products. Some materials become better conductors of electricity at the nanoscale. This means they can carry electrical current more efficiently. Nanotechnology is used to create wires and components that are faster and more reliable. These advancements are important for building better electronic devices and improving energy systems. Nanotechnology is making materials more flexible. By manipulating their structure at the nanoscale, scientists can create materials that bend and stretch without breaking. These flexible materials are used in wearable technology, medical devices, and sports equipment. They make products more comfortable and durable. At the nanoscale, some materials become more reactive. This means they can interact with other substances more easily. Nanotechnology is used to create catalysts that speed up chemical reactions. These reactive materials are important for making medicines, cleaning up pollution, and creating new products. One of the most exciting uses of nanotechnology in medicine is targeted drug delivery. Tiny particles can carry medicine directly to specific cells, such as cancer cells. This approach reduces damage to healthy cells and makes treatments more effective. Targeted drug delivery is helping doctors treat diseases with greater precision and fewer side effects. Nanotechnology is improving early disease detection. Tiny sensors and particles can find signs of illness before symptoms appear. This allows doctors to diagnose and treat diseases sooner, improving patient outcomes. Early detection is especially important for cancer and other serious illnesses. Nanotechnology is used in advanced imaging techniques. Tiny particles can help doctors see inside the body more clearly. These techniques are used to diagnose diseases, guide surgeries, and monitor treatments. Nanotechnology is making medical imaging safer and more accurate. Nanotechnology is making electronic devices smaller and more powerful. By using nanoscale components, scientists can fit more functions into tiny spaces. This is why modern smartphones and computers are so compact yet capable. Nanotechnology is also helping to create new types of electronics that are flexible and wearable. Nanoscale components make electronic devices faster. They allow computers and smartphones to process information quickly and efficiently. This means we can enjoy smoother experiences when using our gadgets. Nanotechnology is also helping to reduce power consumption, making devices last longer on a single charge. Nanotechnology is improving energy storage. Nanomaterials are used in batteries to store more energy and charge faster. This is important for powering electric cars, smartphones, and other devices. Efficient energy storage is helping to create a more sustainable future. Nanotechnology is making solar panels more efficient. Nanomaterials help capture more sunlight and convert it into energy. This means solar panels can produce more power with less space. Nanotechnology is helping to make renewable energy more accessible and affordable. Nanotechnology is used to purify water. Special nanomaterials can filter out pollutants and toxins, making water safe to drink. This technology is important for providing clean water in areas where traditional methods are not effective. Nanotechnology is helping to solve global water challenges. Nanotechnology is helping to clean up pollution. Nanomaterials can capture and remove harmful substances from air, water, and soil. This technology is making it easier to restore the environment and protect public health. Nanotechnology is a powerful tool for environmental cleanup. Nanotechnology is used to make fabrics water-resistant. By adding nanoscale coatings, scientists can create clothing that repels water and stays dry. These fabrics are also stain-proof, making them easier to clean. Nanotechnology is changing the way we think about clothing and materials. Nanotechnology is making clothing stain-proof. Special coatings prevent liquids and dirt from sticking to the fabric. This means clothes stay clean and look new for longer. Nanotechnology is making everyday life more convenient and comfortable. Nanotechnology is used to make sports equipment stronger and lighter. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, scientists can create gear that performs better and lasts longer. Nanotechnology is helping athletes achieve new levels of performance. Nanotechnology is improving building materials. By making them stronger and more durable, scientists are helping to create safer and longer-lasting structures. Nanotechnology is also making construction more efficient and sustainable. Nanotechnology is used to create advanced medical devices. These devices are smaller, more precise, and more effective than traditional ones. Nanotechnology is helping doctors diagnose and treat diseases with greater accuracy. Nanotechnology is making wearable technology possible. Flexible materials and nanoscale components are used to create devices that can be worn on the body. These devices monitor health, track activity, and provide new ways to interact with technology. Modern smartphones and computers use nanotechnology to increase performance and reduce size. Nanoscale components allow these devices to be powerful yet compact. Nanotechnology is making it possible to carry advanced technology in our pockets. Nanotechnology is helping electronic devices use power more efficiently. This means batteries last longer and devices can run for extended periods without charging. Efficient power consumption is important for making technology more sustainable. Nanotechnology is making batteries charge faster. Nanomaterials allow energy to flow more quickly, reducing the time it takes to recharge devices. This is especially useful for smartphones, electric cars, and other portable electronics. Nanotechnology is helping to create sustainable energy solutions. By improving solar panels and batteries, it is making renewable energy more efficient and accessible. Nanotechnology is playing a key role in the transition to a greener future. Nanotechnology is helping to solve global water challenges. By purifying water and removing pollutants, it is providing clean water to communities around the world. Nanotechnology is making a real difference in public health and safety. Nanotechnology is protecting the environment by cleaning up pollution and reducing waste. Nanomaterials are used to capture harmful substances and restore natural resources. This technology is helping to create a healthier planet for future generations. Nanotechnology is making drinking water safer. Special nanomaterials filter out toxins and bacteria, ensuring water is clean and healthy. This technology is important for communities that lack access to safe water. Nanotechnology is used to clean the air. Nanomaterials can capture pollutants and make the air safer to breathe. This technology is helping to reduce air pollution and improve public health. Nanotechnology is making materials more durable. By manipulating their structure at the nanoscale, scientists can create products that last longer and resist damage. Durable materials are used in construction, transportation, and everyday items. Nanotechnology is making electronics more flexible. Nanoscale components allow devices to bend and stretch without breaking. Flexible electronics are used in wearable technology, medical devices, and new types of gadgets. Nanotechnology is creating innovative clothing. Fabrics are made water-resistant, stain-proof, and more comfortable. These advancements are changing the way we dress and care for our clothes. Nanotechnology is opening the door to many future possibilities. Scientists are constantly discovering new ways to use nanoscale materials. The potential for innovation is limitless, from medicine to electronics and beyond. Nanotechnology will continue to shape our world in exciting ways. While nanotechnology offers many benefits, it also presents challenges. Scientists must ensure that new materials are safe for people and the environment. Research is ongoing to understand the risks and develop responsible solutions. Nanotechnology is a powerful tool, but it must be used wisely. Nanotechnology is having a big impact on society. It is improving healthcare, making technology more accessible, and helping to protect the environment. As nanotechnology continues to advance, it will create new opportunities and change the way we live. Nanotechnology is the science of working with tiny things to create big changes. By manipulating materials at the atomic and molecular level, scientists are unlocking new possibilities in medicine, electronics, energy, and the environment. The unique properties of nanoscale materials are leading to innovative products and solutions. As research continues, nanotechnology will shape our future in ways we can only imagine.